Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope everybody is well and fine at the home. So, all are ready for the next lecture of EVS? Again, the new learning, different learning in EVS, right? So, my dear students, you already have seen the two parts of the chapter number 13, water, and this is the part number 3. Part number 3. Right. So, in both the previous parts, we already discussed about the sources of water. Why water is very much precious and important to all of us, not only for human beings, not only for animals, not only for plants. Water is very, very precious things which nature gives us, and it is very important, very precious to all of us. Right? So, in the last two lectures, we already discussed about the importance of water and sources of water. Right? So, in this category, I made you learn that there are so many sources of water, right? But the main source of the water is rain, right? When we will grow more plants na beta, then only the condition of rain is good, right? When we will cut the plants, then that is the cause of the dot means the sukha, drought means sukha padna, right? So I already explained you, I already discussed you about the sources of the water, but once again I will tell you. Sources of water. See dear students, before I start explanation about these, I want to tell you that this video I am making is in your wing only. This is the junior wing, and that's why you can see there is a green board and I am using chalk. Right, if you have any problem regarding board and chalk, you can tell me on WhatsApp, so I can give you the question and the answers and the true false in writing, because this board is very short. This board is very short, right? So maybe possible you can face little problem with this board, but we can't do anything because the classes of 9 to 12th they are started, so we have to shift from that senior building to junior building, right? Okay, now move on and we will discuss about the sources of water. So, first thing, the rain. The main source of the water is rain. Rain is the main source of the water. Rain is the main source of the water. And apart from rain, we all are using hand pump. Right, hand pump is also the source of water. Now we all are using well, kueं. Right, number 4, pond. Number 5, lake. Number 6, river. So these are the sources of the water. First, whatever is written in the book I will read for you, then I will explain one by one. Our earth has more water than land. Yes, it is very much correct, written in the book, that I already told you that the 70% of the earth is covered, is filled with the water only. And as like earth, human body also have the 70% water in our body, right? So this statement is completely right in the book, that our earth has more water than land. Okay, the water is found in the ponds, river, lakes. The water is found in the ponds, river, lakes, seas and oceans. It is very much correct written. These are the natural sources of the water. These all are the natural sources of the water. What are they? Pond. Pond, so we can say that pond is created by the human beings, right? Pond means a small tank. In Hindi we can call talab. So that we human being created. है ना? We dig a big surface, a big place, and that big place convert into pond when rain will come, right? Then the river is also a natural resource of the water, nadiya, right? Then lake means jheele, that is also the natural resource of the water. Seas and oceans, these also are the natural resources of the water, है ना? We are not the creators, human beings are not the creator of all these natural resources of water, right? But what is written in the book? That rain is the main source of the water. When it rains, the rainwater collect into the pond, lake and river. Yes, so rain, barish, rain is the main source of the water. When it rainy season na, then what will happen beta? The rainwater collects in the ponds, rivers, lakes, right? Then the rivers flow into the seas and the oceans. जब बारिश होती है तो बारिश का जितना भी पानी होता है वो नदियों में, तालाब में और झीलों में इकट्ठा होता है, ठीक है? आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग द रेन वाटर इन रिवर्स, इन लेक, इन पॉन्ड, इट फ्लो इनटू द सीज एंड ओशंस. फिर बारिश का जितना भी पानी जो नदियों में, तालाब में और झील में, लेक में, रिवर में और पॉन्ड में कलेक्ट होता है वो सारा का सारा समुद्र में बह के जाता है, राइट? ओके, दिस मच यू अंडरस्टैंड? All right, now I am moving on. Okay, now some rainwater goes into the ground, but this statement is correct. Why? Because in rainy season whatever water will come in the river, in the pond, in the seas, in the oceans. Some parts we can say that it goes into the ground, है ना? I will explain you. I will give you a small example, beta. I will give you that small example in Hindi so you can understand better. जब बारिश होती है ना बेटा और बहुत तेज पानी आता है, बहुत मूसलाधार बारिश जो होती है, उस समय जो पानी आता है ना बेटा, वो पानी पूरा बहकर नदियों में, झीलों में और तालाब में जाता है, ठीक है? लेकिन जब वो रिमझिम बारिश होती है ना, टिप टिप जो पानी होता है ना, दैट वाटर विल गोज इनटू द ग्राउंड. वो पानी जो होता है वो जमीन के अंदर जाता है. अब जमीन के अंदर कैसे जाता है? जो जमीन के अंदर जो ट्रीज होते हैं, जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, उनकी जो रूट्स होती हैं, वो पानी रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं और जितनी रूट्स गहरी होंगी वो पानी को उतना नीचे तक लेकर जाती है. दिस मच यू अंडरस्टैंड? इतना समझ में आया कि द सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द रेन वाटर इट गोज इनटू द ग्राउंड. हाउ इट गोज इनटू द ग्राउंड? दैट द plants and trees, they have this root. They have two types of root, fibrous roots and tap roots, right? So if the tree is very much big, it means what? It means the roots of that particular tree will goes very deep into the ground, very deep, right? And the main function of the root is to observe the water. That observation of the water, वो जितना भी पानी absorb करते हैं, that goes into the ground. दैट इज कॉल्ड द अंडरग्राउंड वाटर। वो ही होता है जो जमीन के नीचे का पानी कहलाता है। एंड दैट अंडरग्राउंड वाटर वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर यूजिंग, we human beings are using in the form of boring, or you can say tube well, right, in the form of hand pump, in the form of well, in the form of tap. That underground water we all are using in the form of artificial sources of water, in the form of tap, in the form of ट्यूबवेल, in the form of boring, है ना। ऐसा होता है ना, जिनके घर में बोरिंग होती है वो जाते हैं, दे क्लिक द बटन, बटन दबाया, पानी आने लगा। तो पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है? नदी से तो नहीं आ रहा, आपके घर में कुआं तो है नहीं, कोई तालाब तो है नहीं, फिर फ्रॉम वेयर दैट वाटर विल कम? सो दैट वाटर विल कम फ्रॉम अंडरग्राउंड in the form of tube well, in the form of boring, right? Okay, now move on, and I am going to read the last line of the paragraph. Sources of water: the seas and oceans are big water bodies. Seas, samudra, oceans, they are the big water bodies. See, when we will talk about the pond is a small water body, है ना, it covers a small surface, right? When we will talk about the well, कुएं की जब हम बात करेंगे, then only we can say that it covers the small surface. Lake will cover little bit big area, and river तो can cover so many cities, right? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जो नर्मदा मंडलेश्वर में बहती है वही नर्मदा नदी महेश्वर में भी बहती है, बड़वानी में भी बहती है, हरदा में भी बहती है, नेमावर में भी बहती है, होशंगाबाद में भी बहती है, जबलपुर में भी बहती है, ठीक है। सो वेल एंड पॉन्ड, these two and hand pump, these three are the actually small water body tank. But when we will talk about lake, when we will talk about river, when we will talk about sea and oceans, these all are the big water bodies. They will cover the very big surface, right? But their water is not fit for use as it is very salty. But what is written in the book, that the water of seas and oceans, it is not fit for use, it is not good for use, है ना, it is very much salty. That's why we cannot use the water of seas and oceans. All right, now the second last paragraph on page number 78, how to make water clean. This I am going to the and how to make water clean, पानी को साफ कैसे किया जाता है। How to make water clean, पानी को साफ कैसे किया जाता है, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट वॉट एवर रिटन इन द बुक आई विल रीड, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन। वाटर फ्रॉम द पॉन्ड, लेक, रिवर एंड वेल इज नॉट क्लीन। वॉट इज रिटन इन द बुक? वाटर फ्रॉम पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, रिवर्स एंड वेल्स इज नॉट क्लीन, साफ नहीं होता है। इट कंटेन्स जर्म्स एंड मैनी अदर हार्मफुल थिंग्स. So it contains the germs and many harmful things means when see, we cannot use the water of pond actually directly. We cannot use the water of lake directly. We cannot use the water of river directly because it is not clean water. It carries the germs and so many other harmful things with us. And dirty water make us sick. When we will use the water which is not clean, which is not pure, then what will happen? We will fall sick. We will fall sick. So it is necessary to us, then whatever drinking water we all are using, it should be clean and pure. It should be clean and pure. Pure, right? So dirty water from the factories is following into the river. जो भी फैक्ट्रीज का गंदा पानी होता है, that goes into the rivers only. That goes into the rivers only. वो नदियों में जाता है. इसलिए कहते हैं कि गंगा का पानी गंदा हो गया है, नर्मदा का पानी दूषित हो गया है, यमुना का पानी दूषित हो गया है. That is the reason. Because big metropolitan cities, big cities have the big factories, and the whatever garbage, whatever dirty, whatever garbage actually that goes into the directly into the river, directly. That is the reason the rivers of our country, it's became the water of the river of our country, it becomes quite dirty. It is not clean. We cannot use it directly. Okay. Now, people are washing their clothes, bathing their animals in the river. Can use this water. Yes, it is also very much correct written in the book that maximum numbers of people, they are washing the clothes. Especially this line is dedicated to the villages pupils. Those who are living in the village, they actually they do not have the proper sources of water. They have the sources of water like hand pump, well, and a small pond or a small river. So what they are doing? They are washing their clothes in the river only, in the pond only. है ना? They are washing their animals, their vehicles in the pond only. So what will happen? The water of that particular river where the animals and the vehicles are washing, that automatically will become dirty, right? So that dirty water we cannot use. Why? Because that dirty water carry lots of germs, carry harmful things which is not good for human beings, which makes us fall sick, right? So that is the reason we should use always clean drinking water. Do not use the dirty water. Dirty water make yourself sick. If you will not use the clean water, your stomach will ache, right? Okay, now I am on page number 79 and the last paragraph of this heading. We can make water clean by boiling it. So here some solution is given in the book. Then if the drinking water is not clean, then what kinds of precautions we can use to make the water clean? Because dirty water is not useful for us, right? So we can first thing, we can make the water clean by boiling it. So we can make water clean by boiling it. And this question will start coming as in your mind, and ma'am, how much time we will boil the water so germs will clean? So about 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes we should boil the water. Then only the germs which is in the water will kill. When we will boil something, then automatically germs will kill. But the duration of boiling is within 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now move on. The precaution number 2, water filters. We can use the water filters. Number 2, water filters. So, water filters we can use to make the water clean. Right? So, people, those who are living cities, those who are living towns, they have the water filter, water purify. Purify means what? Purify means pure karna, shuddh karna, saaf karna. So, maximum numbers of people, they all are using the water purifier, AquaGuard, and so many companies launched their water purifier. They can clean the water. It means what? The germs, whatever germs the water is carrying with us, whatever harmful germs is in the water, it should be cleaned by the water purifier. This is the kind of a equipment which we all are using to clean the water, because clean water makes us healthy and fit, and dirty water makes us sick. Right? So, tap water is also safe. It is clean in the water bag before it supplies to home. See, whatever water are supplies by the Nagar Palika or the Nagar Nigam, it is clean. That is guaranteed that water is clean, because before supplies the water, there is a process of cleaning the water. So, first they will clean the water, they have their duty to clean the water, then they supplies the water to the homes, to the house. Right? So, before supplies to homes, that is their duty to make the water clean. Right? Now, the last paragraph, save water. The last paragraph, we will discuss about the save water. Water is very precious to all of us, beta. Each and every drop of water is very precious to us. So, we always save the water. Save water. So many times you have heard this slogan, so many times you have heard you have seen the slogan, save water, save life, save trees, save life. So why is it so? When we will save the tree, we automatically save the water, because I already told you that if we will grow more trees, then we can save the water, because the main function of the root to absorb the water from soil, and that water goes directly into the ground, directly. So we can save, or there are so many ways. By using all those ways we can save the water, because water is very, very precious to us and we must save it. We must turn off the tap after using it. Some students, they have the habit while brushing, the tap of their wash basin is on and they are doing brushing. So, is it good habit to you? No. If you are if you are brushing your teeth, then you have to turn off the tap. When you will need the water, then only you can use it. Turn on the tap. Nobody will make you stop. Right? So, each and every drop should be saved by us. there is any leakage of the tap is your home, so you can request to your papa, to your mama, this tap is leaking actually, so please make it repair. Papa, this tap is not working nicely. See, drop, water is leaking. So please repair this tap. Then only you can save the water. These all are the small steps which we can follow and we can save the water. Right? When the rain will come, the rain water we can fill in the buckets and in the pots and the tanks. Then that actually better the water that will come from the directly, the rain water is very pure. जो बारिश का पानी होता है वो पूरी तरह प्योर और शुद्ध होता है. अगर हम उसको कलेक्ट करते हैं किसी साफ बकेट में, सो हम उसको डायरेक्टली पी भी सकते हैं. जो बादलों में से जो बारिश होती है उसका जो पानी होता है वो डायरेक्टली पीने योग्य होता है, वो सीधे भी आप पी सकते हो. इट इज़ वेरी प्योर. उसको देर इज़ नो नीड टू प्यूरिफाई दैट वाटर, देर इज़ नो नीड टू बॉयल दैट वाटर बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी वेरी प्योर. राइट? So they are using the water, but they can make sure that they do not waste the water. See, there are some pictures. There are some pictures which you can see in the book in front of the camera. See, grandma save the water when she washes clothes. है ना? John and Dad use the water for washing car, but they take the water in the bucket only. There is a small bucket. In that bucket they collect the water. Then they are washing their car. And Aman gives Stuffy a short bath. He uses a bucket and mug to save the water. And mom does not leave the tap running when she washes vegetable. So these all are the small uses. By doing these all activities we can save the water. If we want to wash the motorbike or if we want to wash the car, then what is the right way to doing all these things? हाँ, गए नल चालू किया, पाइप लिया और भर कार धोना, गाड़ी धोना शुरू किया. So these all are the right ways to wash your vehicles? No, it is not the right way. Then what is the right way? If you want to wash your car, then take the water in the bucket and take a small cloth. Then start washing the car. Now, some people are doing what? Some people are doing they are doing actually we can say that they are wasting the water. वो क्या करते हैं? मोटर चालू करते हैं और मोटर से तो और भी तेज प्रेशर आता है ना. When we will use the motor pump, then what will happen? The pressure of the water will it is very extremely high. Then water is very much wasted. So that is the not right way. If we want to give the bath to our pet animals, then we have to use a mug and the bucket. Never ever leave the running tap. Never ever leave. If you have some work, then use and after using close it फटाफट से, है ना. Do not leave the running tap. This habit is not good for everybody. Not good. Okay. So dear students, here we are completing the chapter number 13, water. When we will meet in the next lecture, that time we will do the entire exercise of the chapter. New words, take the correct answer, true false and the circle the correct word and the question and the answers. All these things we will do in the next lecture. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, take care of yourself, keep watching, keep learning, keep completing your notebook, because your final exam will come soon. So do not take your studies lightly. Okay, this is my advice or request both to you. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you.